Hi there, welcome back. In this class, I'm going to teach you how to draw 3D shapes. For this class, all you need is a paper, pencil, and an eraser. Well, talking about shapes, shapes are some of the first things you probably learn to draw. With a little practice, you can make those shapes appear three-dimensional. 2D shapes are flat, but 3D shapes are solid shapes and not flat. They have edges, faces, and corners which are called vertex. Let's start with drawing a cube out of a square. Let's start with drawing a cube out of a square. 2D shape of a cube is a square. To draw the cube, first make a simple square that's any size you like. Then draw one more square that is overlapping slightly onto the first square. Now draw straight lines that connect the corners of the square. There is one more way to draw the cube. Draw the square. From the three corners, draw the diagonal lines and connect the lines with the straight lines. This cube has 8 corners, so these corners are called vertex or vertices. The sides of the cube are called edges, and this part is called a face. So there are 8 vertices for the cube. Six faces. And 12 edges. Let's see how to draw a sphere. Spheres are just circles. So draw a circle with your pencil. Now we have to draw the curved lines across the circle to create the three-dimensional sphere. Draw a dotted or a dashed line that curves across the circle in the opposite direction of your lines. The dotted line implies that you are looking behind the sphere. There are 0 edges, 0 faces as the sphere is curved, and 0 vertices. Let's see how to draw a cone. If you can draw a triangle, you can easily make a cone. Just draw a triangle. Now draw an oval at the base that that connects the two points of the V shape. Cone has one face, it has 0 edges, and it has one vertex. Let's see how to draw a rectangular prism. Rectangular prisms are also called cuboids. So the first step is to draw a rectangle. Draw one more rectangle overlapping the first rectangle, and now connect the two rectangles with the diagonal lines. One more way to draw a rectangular prism is draw the rectangle, draw the diagonal lines, and connect all the lines. A rectangular prism has 12 edges, 6 faces, and 8 vertices. Let's see how to draw a 3D pyramid. Begin by drawing a 2D triangle. Now use two straight lines to enclose another triangle alongside the first. This gives the pyramid a three-dimensional appearance. This is a different way of drawing a pyramid. So there are like 6 edges. Four faces and 4 vertices. Let's draw a triangular prism now. To draw a triangular prism, draw a triangle. And draw one more triangle overlapping slightly onto the first one. Now connect both the triangles with the diagonal lines. This is one more way of drawing a triangular prism. So there are 9 edges, 5 faces, and 6 vertices for the triangle prism. let's draw a cylinder. To draw a cylinder, you need to draw two ovals, one on the bottom and one on the top, and connect the two ovals with the straight lines. Since the cylinder is curvy, it doesn't have any edges. So there are 0 edges. There are 2 faces, one on the top and one on the bottom, and there are 0 vertices. So this is how we draw 3-dimensional shapes. Drawing is all about the world around us through 3-dimensional shapes and objects. Learning shapes not only helps you identify and organize visual information, it also helps you in learning skills like math and science. It helps you understand signs and symbols. And that is why it is very important to draw or learn 3-dimensional shapes. Now let's have a quick look of how to shade these 3-dimensional shapes. Once you have the outlines of all the 3-dimensional shapes, imagine where the light source is hitting it and shade the opposite side heavily. Imagine if your light source is on the top right. So this part of the cube will be dark. And this side of the cube will have light. We will be having a shadow on the left side of the cube. Since the light source is on the right side top, the left side of the sphere will have a shadow, and start shading darker from the left side, and as you go right, reduce the pressure and shade it lighter. so much for going through this class, and I hope this helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.